Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Life is all about making choices. In any given situation, you always have two choices. Make a better choice and get a better result. Make a poor choice and get a poor result. So let me give you some examples. You can choose to get up in the morning feeling good, or you can choose to get up in the morning feeling bad. You can choose to read and think more, or you can choose to read and think less. From a bad experience, you can choose to be better, or you can choose to be bitter. You can choose to blame the world, or you can choose to take control of your life. You can choose to eat healthy, or you can choose to eat unhealthy. You can choose to focus, or you can choose to get distracted. You can choose to focus on what you can do, or you can choose to focus on what you can't do. You can choose to earn more, or you can choose to earn less. You can choose to see the good in people, or you could choose to see the worst in people. When you make a good choice, you are programming your mind positively. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. So this is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.